Yo, what's good, YouTube, man? It's me, your boy Keyy, and I'm back out here with another video, man. So yeah, man, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to get the college level football mod roster after patch, man. Yeah, what you wanna do is go to share and manage files, go to download community files. You know they patched the old, man. So look, all you have to do now is search by keyword instead of online ID. So just type in CFBM, which stands for college football mod. And what you do is you can download from any of these guys. Just download one of these guys from one of these users. Save it. You know what I'm saying? Just save it. Now there's a catch to it. Unfortunately, like always, you can only use the roster as long as you got the Madden app up, like the Madden game up. Once you close the app and come back into the game, the roster will reset back to original roster. Like the players will still be there, but the uniforms and stuff, like they're gonna be gone. But yeah, man, you go load it and you go to the roster and you go in there. You can check, make sure it still works. You know what I'm saying? Make sure all the teams are there. But like I said, once you get off Madden, close app, you know what I'm saying, or load up a new roster or anything like that, this roster will no longer work. You'll have to go download the whole roster again. That's the only catch to it. I know you like, what, that's too much work, but I'm just saying, I mean, I did it, you know what I'm saying? You just go download it again, man, you feel me? But yeah, this is how you do it. You know, you see the teams are still there. This just for the after patch method. I don't even know why they're patching it, man. It's not hurting the game in no type of way, man. But yeah, man, every time I find a new method, bro, I'm gonna let y'all boys know, man. Trust me, I'm the best tutorial guy out here, man. You feel me? This me, your boy Keyy, and I'm out, bro. Peace.